Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you iPhone 16 Pro Max constantly rebooting. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, checking your software updates. So first of all, check your software updates, open settings and now click on general. And here you can see the option software update. Click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest iOS version, then update it to latest iOS version. After updating latest iOS version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then reset all your settings, then simply erase all content and settings. Then click on erase all content and settings, and here it will be all the erase all data and apps, Apple accounts, Find My, all the things erase in your phone. So this is the way to fix iPhone 16 Pro Max constantly rebooting. Thanks for watching this video.